So first, this is our demonstration that we've set up for the AFIT system. Here you can see the power is coming out of the box and powering the diodes that we have set up here. And then here we have the input to the system and the output to the system. Here you'll see two red lights that are being controlled from inside the box and sent through, and they've got the power connected to them now. We'll use these to demonstrate our opens. In here you'll see one light's on with one light off. This will demonstrate one short, and this will demonstrate the other short.
Okay, for this test we are using the third input cable, which is pins 21 through 26. The first thing that we need to do is create a couple of open connections. So we're going to select pin 21 and open from our new test creation window. Clicking this populates our created tests. Pin 21 to open. Here's 22 to open. And we need a couple of short connections between pins 23 and 24 and 25 and 26. So go ahead and add those to our test list. Okay, let's add a little delay to our tests so our system has time for the faults to be read. Now we are ready to load our tests. So we take our individual created tests and load them individually into our larger test set. The test set consists of all the tests that will be ran. So now we have several options here. Load test set that reads in a previously created test from a CSV. If you, for some reason, loaded a test that you didn't need to run, you can select it and then hit remove selected test. Remove test set clears the box completely, and saving the test set is exactly what we're going to do here. You can either enter your name into the box here for the test, or a dialog window pops up and you can name the test here. We actually created one earlier, so we'll just use that again and overwrite it. So here we are ready to go and run our test. You click the Run Test button and a new window will pop up. Load our test to run, and here we are. So right now the test log is blank. Somewhere in this area is our red button, our red light. It shows where the test is in operation. And we can go ahead and click Begin Testing, and the first red light should turn off. Well, there we go. You can see our green light is on, meaning the test is running. Our delay has occurred. At this point, you would, if it was connected to a gear, you would read your codes, record them, make sure they matched up with what you expected. Here we're just going to hit OK, which also resets all our relays inside the box. Now we make a decision, do we want to continue testing or do we want to stop the test? We will continue testing and turn off the red LED number 2. And there we go. As that runs, you also can notice up here at a timestamp has been added to when each test was completed. Press OK to reset our relays, and next we should turn on a blue light with the short connection. And there we go. Okay, we have our yellow light here, which means that the system is waiting for the operator to do something, and it's waiting for us to reset one last time. We'll continue testing to the last set. Okay, our blue light came on. Let's reset our system. And we know that this is the last test, so we can stop the test, which will bring up a save window. If you hit continue testing, it also knows there are no more tests and the exact same thing will occur. So let's stop the test. We can save our test log. Close our window. Now, we mentioned during the presentation that there is a kind of an emergency backup, so if you have something happen, it will automatically generate a text file which will let you know where you stopped, and if we pull that up, it is identical to the test log that we just created because we finished all the tests, except for it does not have the testing complete item at the bottom there. But other than that, everything should be identical.